All right. So welcome again to Military Guna TV. Thank you very much for joining me. People, 8,200. 8,200. Massive respect for all those who took the time out to hit that subscribe button. I apologize. I've been doing so much work over the weekend. A lot, and I mean a lot of work. Um, I can't even explain the amount of work. So, but guess what, people? I do apologize for not updating, not dropping the updates on the Twitter, the Instagram, the Facebook. As you guys know, I normally do on match days. I do apologize. Work got the better of me today. Definitely, I'll work on that. Work up my schedule a little bit better. But anyways, let's get into the meat of the matter. So we're going to speak about three reggae boys, three strikers, the the three most informed strikers right now. The three most informed reggae boys right at this moment. So, guys, as I said earlier in the start of the video, smash the like button. I would really appreciate if you all do that. Definitely. It's not hard. You can just touch that button before you even leave the video. Hit it before you even start watching the video. It's not difficult. And also hit the subscribe button. It's a bonus, bonus to help me reach to the 9,000 subscriber. I want to reach the 10,000 subscriber before the end of the year, people. Before the end of the year. So please help me to get that done. It will be a massive, massive achievement. I would really appreciate it. Just 6 months. I would really appreciate it. Anyways, so guys, let's get straight into the meat of the matter. We won't linger on any further. So the three strikers I was speaking about are Mikel Antonio, Kemar Roof, and Shamar Nicholson. Now, these guys are fighting. I mean, these guys are going at it. These guys are really, really going at it. I'm talking about intensity, goal scoring, assists, getting the best out of every single game, people. Every single game. These guys are going at it. They want to go. These guys are hungry for a goal. And it goes to show that we have people who have talent who can get the job done. So we need to extract the best out of these players. We need to get the job done. We need to extract all of these. So this is a club level. And if we're getting this at club level, I can tell you, there's a strong chance, a very, very, very strong chance of us getting this at the international level just the same. Why not? Why can't we get this at the international level? Why not? Why shouldn't we hope for it at the international level? I don't see why we can't. I don't see why we can't hope for this or these results at the international level. Why can't we? But let's go straight into it, people. So, the first player is Shamar Nicholson. Games, 10 games, 7 goals, 2 assists, and a total of 699 minutes. 699 minutes, 10 games, 7 goals, 2 assists. No, as you know, the 10 games are not. I should have put 10 appearances. Yeah, but it's the same thing. It's literally the same thing, people. So, but in all sense, that's 9 goal contribution in 10 is literally giving you guys a goal or an assist every single game. A goal or an assist every single game. That is top-notch quality. That is top-notch quality. Now, let me give you a little bit more insight. Now, he's a leading goal scorer for the club, and he's ranked 7th on the league table with those 7 goals. He's ranked 7th on the league table with those 7 goals. Now, let's get to the next player, Mikel Antonio. 10 games, 7 goals, 4 assists, 886 minutes. 84 minutes played. My bad. Sorry about that. That is 11 goal contribution in 10 games. All right. So, what else? Also, Mikel Antonio is 3rd on the Premier League table in goals scored, and is ranked 1st for the club, leading goal scorer for the club, and ranked 3rd in the Premier League. You guys know those crazy strikers in front of him. But in the same sense, solid season so far in just 10 games. spectacular start of the season. That 10 game also include Europa League. Just giving you guys an overall amount of games played, and also the overall amount of minutes played as well. 864 minutes, 11 goal contribution, 1.05, I think 1.05 goals, averaging goals per game. Now let's move to the next one. So we have Shamar Nicholson from Charleroi in the German league, in the Belgium league, my bad, in the Premier League. We also have Mikel Antonio in the English league, at West Ham, and then we have Kemar Roof at Rangers in the Premiership Scottish League. No, 14 goals, no, 14 appearances, 8 goals, and also we have minutes completed 829 minutes. Now, in total, you can add up all these minutes. That's roughly over 2,000 minutes. That's over maybe about 2,500 minutes between all three players. That's 14 plus 8. That's 22. Let me see. Let me check it. Don't mind me, people. Please don't mind me. Don't argue. I'm not that bright. So that's 4, 17. 22. If I'm wrong, please correct me. If I'm wrong, please correct me. I'm tired. Really, really tired. And also 6 assists. 34 games coming together. Not bad. That would be good. That's almost 20 plus goals between all that's 20 plus goals between all the players, and 6 assists in just 34 games. That's a very, very good goal return for 3 players. Very, very good goal return. So people, these are the 3 players. These are the 3 players that are firing at this moment. I can't say individually which one of these players are putting in the best performance, because for each one of these guys, their performance for their club have been significant. Goal winning games, match winning goals, individual performance, goal winning assists as well, game winning assists as well. So you can't individually say come out and say that this player is playing better than that particular player. It's difficult to say, because all of these players are playing extremely well. Both Kemar Roof, both Mikel Antonio are playing in Europe, are playing in Europa League, and they are doing really, really well. Shamar is not there, but he's also playing well in his league as well. And the league is of high standard. It's not like it's a lower league, it's of high standard. So all 3 players are performing exceptionally well. Hopefully, this set of form, these guys can carry this form straight into those set of fixtures within like 2 weeks' time. I believe in next 2 weeks' time or so, which is quite good. It's quite close to that time period. We have seen Leon Bailey coming back, definitely. So I'll do a video separate for Leon Bailey, because I have a few things to talk about with Leon Bailey. So definitely, guys, I won't go any further. I've kept you guys long enough. Hopefully, guys, you guys have a good day. This has been a really, really difficult one. Internet even giving me problems. I don't know why or what's happening, but Flow needs to sort themselves out. Definitely, guys. So tell me what you think about these guys' performances so far. And I know most of you guys will say a particular player is putting in a better performance, but I leave that up to you guys. But at this moment, 3 strikers, really, really good form. 2 weeks away from the World Cup qualifiers. Hopefully, this form can go straight into that, and we'll see how that one goes. Thank you guys again for tuning in. Really, really appreciate it, guys. Military Gunner TV, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day. And please, before you go, smash that like button and hit the subscribe button if you have never done so. I would totally appreciate it. And guess what, guys? I am out.